Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Today's video is looking at smart mockups. Canva acquired this company in 2021, but has been making significant improvements since then. I'm going to show you the improvements and how great it looks and how much easier it is to use them. Smart Mockups was founded in 2016 by two really creative entrepreneurs to solve a problem for themselves, and in doing so, solved a problem for a lot of people in terms of being able to put images onto backgrounds that looked really good. Canva started to work together with Smart Mockups as an app. Since then, Canva's been working on integrating the app into Canva, and it was a bit quirky before, but now it's become really easy. And you'll find the Smart Mockups link on your home screen, just below Discover Apps. So let's click on it and see what it's all about. As you can see, there are over 8,000 mockups, and every time I look at it, there seem to be more being added. And Canva split them into technology, print, packaging, apparel, which I call clothing, and home and living. I'm going to look at the ones that I use most often, technology. And if I click on laptop, you see you have 4 choices of laptop to use. You can use a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air, or Windows. I'm going to go with a Windows mockup, and here you can see that in setting, and you can add your design in there, and it creates a much more interesting image for you to use as you're showing your product in action. You'll see there are options of both free usage, or the ones with the crown are Canva Pro. If you want to try Canva Pro free for 45 days, I'll put a link below the video. I've chosen my smart mockup, and now I can go to Let's Get Started and select an image to use. So first of all, it comes through all my uploads. I can upload one directly by clicking here, but I have one that I want to use already. Simply click on the image I want to use and then click select. And you see it's put it in, but it's not quite right. So I now need to go and adjust the image. Under adjustments, I have various options. I've got fit, fill, stretch, or custom. I'm going to try fill. It looks as though it's going to be a little short, so I might actually have to stretch it. And I'm going to click save. And now you can see it's filled the whole screen. I'm going to save this mockup, and then I have 2 options. I can either use it in a design or I can download it. I'm just going to download it. Let's try mocking up something else, just for fun. I'm going to go to Home and Living, and I'm going to click on mugs. And you have ceramic, enamel, or glass mugs. I'm going to look at the ceramic mug options. And while you've got a lot of them, you can see in parties and with people, you've also got them in settings. It's a nice Christmas option, which I'll use with some of our Be Your Own Graphic Designer images. But I think I'm going to use this one. Again, it's a Canva Pro image, but there are plenty of images for free users as well. Obviously, the Pro ones are a bit more interesting. Select again. And this time I'm going to upload from my computer. And I'm going to use one of my branding images from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, which is our Supergirl. And again, click on it and then select. I think it looks a little large on that, so I'm going to adjust it slightly. And I'm just going to pull down the corner to shrink it a little. And I will save that. And that looks better to me. I'm now going to save the mockup. And rather than downloading it this time, I'm going to use it in a design. And you can see all the options that you have. And I'm going to use it as an Instagram story to give me a vertical layout. And I'm just going to put it to that. It just needs a slight adjustment. You can simply download it now. Now you can see how easy it is to make some really interesting visuals using your designs and smart mockups. Like a perfect combination to make some fantastic social media marketing materials. Hope that helps, and see you next week.